Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a Westside haul for you guys and I have 2 bags full of stuff that I got from Westside sale. So obviously because it's sale time, I have been doing quite a bit of shopping and I filmed a Westside haul last year. I think it was early last year or late 2015. I'll leave a link to it below in case any of you guys still want to watch it. Obviously the stuff isn't available anymore, but a lot of you guys really liked that video and so I thought I'll do a part 2. So I gave myself a budget of 10,000 rupees this time and I wanted to see what all I could get from their sale in 10,000 bucks, and I did get quite a lot. 16 items to be precise. I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing right now. This is a cropped t-shirt. It's denim and it's got like the whole crushed effect going on. And it's got the number 78 printed on it in a silver metallic foil print. I honestly spotted this at the last minute and I had a little left to complete my 10,000 budget. So I picked it up. Because of this, I went up to 10,072, but I think that 72 was allowed, right? Anyway, I absolutely love how this looks. It fits really well too, and I could totally wear this with like a pair of high-waist denims or shorts and sneakers, even boots actually. I think it's quite versatile. Next thing I got is the skirt that I'm wearing right now with this top. I obviously can't hold it up and show you guys, but you can see it right here. It's a red velvet skater skirt. It's got a gold zip along the middle. I absolutely love the gold hardware. It looks so nice. Also, the fact that it has pockets on each side just makes it so much more easy to wear. I could totally pair this with like a crop top or a t-shirt, and I think it would make for a really fun look with sneakers. The next thing I picked up is this black and white striped crop top. It's got like a tulip kind of effect and it fits so well. It's got sleeve deeps. It's got deep sleeves and a high neck, and it honestly is one of the favorite things I picked up this time. I absolutely love it. It looks so cool. I think I could wear this with like a pair of black high-waisted denims and maybe even a pair of black boots after that, or layer like a leather jacket over it. It can make for such a grungy look, but it can also look really cute paired with the skirt like I'm wearing it here. I picked up another thing with stripes. Now this is a navy blue and white long line top and it's got like a really high slit. It's also got buttons all the way across the middle and it's also sleeveless. Now initially when I picked this up I thought it was a dress, but of course when I tried it on, that was when I figured that it's a top. But I still really like it. I think it would look so nice with like white jeans or even like a pair of trousers or leggings or even shorts for that matter. It's really nice for summer and it's got that whole nautical vibe going on. I really like it. I picked up another striped top. It's a double layered top and this is my favorite from the entire haul for sure. It's got black and white stripes. The black stripes have glitter details on them and it's got the second layer is like white chiffon. I think it's a chiffon. Please don't hold me on that, but it's basically like a white translucent fabric. And I think this is such a cool top. Like, it's so casual and it's still so chic. If I just wear this with my favorite jeans and white sneakers, it would look so nice. Like, I can totally imagine the look with like my favorite sunglasses on, a very casual handbag. Oh my god, I literally want to wear this right now. And I love the way it fits. So I picked this up in an extra small. Now I really like the fact that Westside does extra small as well. There aren't that many brands that do that, and a lot of times I fit into the extra small. Sometimes it's extra small, but yeah, I think I picked up the perfect size and I love this top so much. I don't know why. I feel like I don't normally wear stuff like this and I really want to. So maybe that's why I'm really keen on wearing it. Next, I picked up 2 denim vests. For me, denim vests are like a complete no-brainer. On days when I can't understand what to wear, there are a lot of days like that, and I have somewhere to be in a rush, I find that it's a really easy and quick option to throw on a basic colored crop top and then just layer a denim vest over it. The first vest that I picked up is this one. It's like in a light denim wash and it's got patches on it. And my favorite is this one that's on the right side. It's got like Instagram notifications. So 3 comments, 9 likes and 6 followers. How cute is that? You know how much I love Instagram, so this is love. Next, I got a white denim vest. Now, I have wanted to own a white denim vest or a white denim jacket for the longest time, but I couldn't find one that I really liked. And this was the first thing I picked up when I walked into the store. I saw this and I just knew I had to get it. It's got rips on the sides over here and like a big rip at the back. and it's also got lace on the side, so it's basically self-colored lace. So from a distance you can't really tell whether it's ripped or it's lace, and I think it's so cool. It's got that like edgy girly vibe both together, because obviously the rips add a bit of edginess to the outfit and the lace makes it a little bit girly. But all in all, it looks so cool. This I couldn't find in an extra small, so I picked up a small, but it doesn't really make much of a difference because I think both of them fit me really well. Next up, I bought this black velvet top. I have been so into velvet this season. I'm sure you guys can tell already. The only problem with this one is that it's in a size medium. Now, I normally wear extra small for something like this, but I couldn't find a small or an extra small in the entire store. But what I decided is that I'm going to alter it. What I do sometimes during sales, or even generally if I really like something and my size isn't available in it, if it's like one size or maximum two sizes larger than what I normally wear, I pick it up and then I get it altered. So I really didn't want to let this go, because even though it's got that whole sexiness going on, it's still super cute because of the little flary bottom. As you can see, it's not that loose for me, like a little bit of alteration on the sides and I should be good. Now the next thing I picked up is probably the most expensive item in the haul. I got this beige sweater for $14.99. And I think it was quite a bargain, because honestly it is so warm. It's got two layers, so there's like this chiffon layer underneath, and it also has sequin details. I did wear it in the day. I actually wore it all day yesterday in Delhi, and when I reached Delhi it was really cold, but this kept me so warm. It's got like two layers, and I really like the back. I find it quite interesting. It's got like a small slit at the back and you can see the chiffon fabric through it. Okay, so we're done with clothes and I have two pairs of shoes. The first pair I got are these espadrilles. They are dark blue and they've got like a glitter bit at the toe. So the toe section is the same color, but it's got a glitter addition to it. And these are so cute. I was looking for a good pair of espadrilles for quite a while. I don't own any, and I did want to wear one because they're super comfortable and they look really nice as well. And I absolutely love these. Now the second pair of shoes is my favorite. It's these grey, yeah, they're dark grey sneakers. My favorite part of these shoes is the zip detailing. So the zip starts at the back over here, and then it comes down the front and basically goes around both sides of the shoes. It just makes the shoes look a lot cooler. Next up, I got two belts. I feel like this haul isn't ending. Anyway, it's almost over though. We've just got 1, 2, 3 more items to talk about after these. First one is this tan belt right here, and the buckle is quite cool. It's got like this gold chain buckle, and this was super cheap. It was for like $1.99. It's originally for $3.99 and then $1.99 on sale. The next belt is, I think, again the same price, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it was for $1.99 again. And this belt, this buckle is super cool. Again, it's gold. The belt is navy blue and the buckle has like this geometric addition to it, which looks so nice. It would just like totally lift up a very basic outfit. Now onto this. I picked up this canvas tote bag. It's really nice for like days when you have to go shopping, like grocery shopping. I don't do grocery shopping for the entire house, but on days when I feel like I'm running out of the things that I like to eat, I go to the store and I pick them up. So this would be nice for those kind of days, or for days when I have to run errands. It's just a very casual, carefree kind of bag. And it's got a blue and white chevron print on it and a pink handle. And in pink it's written, always do what you love, never settle. So true, and I completely agree with this. Now on to the last two things I picked up. I picked up these two bras. They are basically push-up t-shirt bras. One is black and the other one is nude. I've never tried Westside lingerie before, but I've heard really good things about it. And these were like for $3.99 each, which is so nice. Oh wait, I think the black one was $4.99 if I'm not wrong. But still totally worth it. I tried them on and they fit really well. Okay, so that was it for my Westside sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a lot of things in under 10,000 rupees. Basically my bill was 10,600, but because I'm a member I got a discount and that's how it came down to 10,072, which is amazing for the amount of things I got. So I'm sure you guys are doing a lot of sale shopping this season. Don't forget to go check the sale at Westside out as well. As always, don't forget to... I just almost dropped the bag. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!